Did you know your kitchen pantry can either support or sabotage your healthy eating goals? When it's cluttered and chaotic, even simple meal prep feels overwhelming. You end up grabbing whatever's easiest, which usually isn't the healthiest option. When your pantry is organized, healthy choices become the easy choices. It's not about willpower, it's about designing your space so your good habits run on autopilot. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to organize your pantry to set you up for success every single day. In case you're new here, I'm Dr. Kelly Cosgrove, and I help overwhelmed people build consistent, healthy routines by combining science-backed strategies with home organization. Let's get into it. The first step to an organized pantry is always decluttering. A cluttered pantry filled with expired food, random jars of stuff you never use, and duplicate items creates friction every time you open the door. That clutter is not just physical, it's mental. It makes meal prep harder, increases decision fatigue, and slows you down. So here's what I want you to do. Toss expired food. Check expiration dates and toss things that are no longer good. You might be shocked how long ago some of the things in your pantry expired. Consolidate duplicates. Do you really need 4 half-open bags of rice or 3 jars of the same spice? If they're all still good, combine them. Donate unopened items. If you know you're not going to eat it, donate it while it's still good. Get rid of mystery items. Anything that makes you pause and think, where did this come from? What do I even use this for? Is just taking up valuable space. When you clear the clutter, you free up both physical space and mental space. A clear pantry is the foundation of a clear mind and an easier, healthier cooking routine. Once you've decluttered, it's time to set up zones. This is where your pantry really starts working for you. Think of your pantry like a grocery store. Everything has a category, and every category has its place. This makes things easier to find, faster to put away, and simpler to maintain. Here are some categories you might set up. A breakfast zone with cereals, oats, and nut butters. A snack zone with healthy grab-and-go items like trail mix, applesauce, and dried fruit. Dinner staples like pasta, rice, canned beans, tomato sauce. Baking supplies like flour, sugar, baking soda, chocolate chips. You can also create special functional zones for your lifestyle, like maybe a kid-friendly snack station. Keep healthy, parent-approved snacks within reach so kids can help themselves. Involve them by letting them restock their snack bin after grocery shopping. It teaches them responsibility and helps build healthy eating habits. You can also create an adult snack zone. Even if you don't have kids or you don't want them helping themselves to snacks yet, you can create a fun snack zone for yourself and the other adults you live with. Think pre-portioned things like nuts, popcorn, or protein bars in easy grab-and-go servings. This makes it effortless to grab something nutritious when you're busy. Meal prep baskets. Group ingredients for your go-to meals together. For example, a taco bin with tortillas, taco seasoning, and canned beans, or a smoothie bin with protein powder, chia seeds, and nut butter. When it's time to cook or prepare a smoothie, you just pull out the basket onto your counter and everything you need is in one place. Zones not only save time, but also reduce decision fatigue. You'll spend less time rummaging and more time actually enjoying healthy meals and snacks. Next, you'll want to use visibility to your advantage. Here's where behavioral science comes in. The easiest option that you see first is what you're most likely to eat. If the chips are right at eye level, guess what you'll grab? But if fresh snacks and healthy staples are front and center, that's what you'll be more likely to reach for. Here are a few tricks to use visibility to your advantage. Put healthy options at eye level. This is prime pantry real estate. Use it for the foods you want to eat more of. Use clear bins for healthy foods and staples. You'll always know when you're running low, and it helps with inventory management. You can keep the older items in the front of the bin and restock the back of the bin when you get home from the grocery store. Plus, the simple shift of making healthy foods more visible and less healthy foods less visible changes your daily routines without you even realizing it. Use opaque bins for treats. I love to keep treats in my kitchen, but I just don't want them to be the star of the show. I really focus on making sure I want to go out of my way to indulge in a treat, rather than just starting snacking on treats because I saw them when I opened the cabinet and they sounded good. Store treats on a high shelf in a bin you can't see through. Out of sight really is out of mind. Consider transferring grains, pasta, and beans into clear containers. This isn't about Instagram perfect pantries, it's about freshness, visibility, and function. You'll waste less food because you can see exactly how much you have, and oftentimes they will stay good for longer if you store them in a container like this. Keep heavy or bulk items like big bags of rice or cases of sparkling water on the lower shelves. That way you're not straining to lift them. Label shelves and bins. This makes it easier for the whole household to follow the system and keep it in place. Labels take away the guesswork and help you maintain order long term. A little organization up front saves a lot of effort later. I want to pause here and say something important. Your pantry does not need to look like Pinterest. The goal is not rainbow-colored cereals and glass jars unless you genuinely want that. The goal is function. Can you see your healthy foods? Can you access them easily? Do they support your daily routines? Accessibility and visibility matter more than aesthetics. If your pantry works for you, even if it's not picture perfect, you're winning. Your pantry has more influence over your eating habits than you might think. By decluttering, setting up zones, and making healthy options visible and accessible, you're setting yourself up for success. Small tweaks here can create big ripple effects in how you eat, how you feel, and how much energy you have. Remember, you don't need to overhaul everything at once. Even just clearing out expired food, creating one snack station, or shifting one healthy option to the shelf at eye level can make a difference. Little by little, your pantry can become a space that makes healthy eating the easiest option. So take some time today to clear a little space, set up a system, and let your pantry become your ally in living a healthier life. Your future self will thank you. And if you want to learn more about how decluttering other areas in your home can also have a big effect on your health and habits, check out my recent video that's all about how to get healthy by decluttering your home. I'll link it here on the screen and in the description below.